Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about a case study of MSP 430. That is a remote control of air conditioner and home appliance. The topics are remote control, circuit diagram, features, types of air conditioner and applications. First we talk about remote control. What is remote control? Remote control in electronics. A remote control or a clicker is an electronic device used to operate another device from a distance, as usually wirelessly. For example, in consumer electronics, a remote control can be used to be operated devices such as television set, DVD player, and other home appliances from a short distance. Next, we talk about the importance of the remote control. The use of a wireless remote control eliminates the need for the operator to be in direct contact with the running machine. This means the operator can position themselves in a safe manner farther away from the moving parts, harmful dust and noise and vibration or falling debris that may occur. Next we talk about the remote control of MSP 430. This board demonstrates an ultra low power generator, general purpose infrared remote control solution. This board uses a FRAM based MCU which supports features such as real-time clock, button scan, LED backlight and a LCD display. Next we talk about design features. Ultra low power with FRAM technology, infrared code sending with the optimized matrix key scan for 14 buttons and a segment of LCD. Next we talk about the features of MSP 430. In MSP 430, the 16-bit RISC architecture up to 16 megahertz. Wide supply voltage range from 1.8 volt to 3.6 volt. 64 pin or 56 pin or 48 pin package options. Integrated LCD drive with a charge pump can support up to 4 into 36 or 8 into 32. Optimized 16-bit timer for infrared signal generation. Low power mode with RTC on 0.77 microampere. A low power with the LCD on 0.936 microampere. Active mode on 126 microampere megahertz. Next we talk about MSP 430 architecture. In MSP 430 architecture, RISC CPU 16-bit used as a processing unit. Digital peripheral and analog peripheral are used as input and output. Flash and RAM are used as instruction and data. Types of air conditioner. There are 6 types of air conditioner. There are 6 types. They are basic central AC, ductless AC, Windows unit, hybrid and geothermal. And geothermal. Control of on or off compressor. The compressor is the most important component of a vapor compression refrigeration system. The on or of type of compressor used to be popular in the past, but a DC inverter type of compressor is the latest technology in the market, though more costly. The on or off compressor will totally on or totally off depending on the set temperature and the ambient temperature. As usually there is a dead band of about 1.5 degrees Celsius to 2.2 degrees Celsius. To prevent on or off cycling of compressor that will reduce its lifespan. In cooling mode, the compressor will turn on. Disadvantages of the compressor. The disadvantage of this type of compressor is that the temperature range of the space being cooled is too big, causing discomfort to the occupants during the time of this compressor is either on or off. The other disadvantage is the starting current of easily few times of the steady state current every time the compressor starts. The last one is types of AC using remote controls. They are standard AC remotes, universal AC remotes, and finally smart AC remotes. Thank you.